Good morning guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach Yoann. Today it is Thursday, December 22nd and it is 10:31 a.m. and I am already done with my day. So let me show you what I did today. Let's go back here on 4 hours. As you can tell, there is a rectangle here that I drew myself. This rectangle, if you watched some of the last couple of videos, was much bigger here because we had a huge gap to fill over here. As we fill the gap, going down here, retracing, going back lower, we had strong support over here, but the gap was filled partially, so I adjusted my rectangle here, just to give me a good idea of when we will eventually hit it, and eventually, gap fill it again on my chart. So that's why I adjust it. Now, what I did today, let's go on a 1 minute. We open on SP, this is SPX on a 1 minute, guys. As you know, I trade only SPX 99.9% of the time. Actually, I should say 100% because I cannot remember last time I traded anything else. But it happens sometimes. If I see something great on Google or whatever, I'll just take it. But anyway, 99.99999% of the time I'm trading SPX. You see SPX on a 1 minute. We did open with a gap lower today. As I saw this coming in, we flushed down, a little retracement happened, I entered with 2 over here. Then we went just a little bit higher, but didn't cross the 9. MACD was very weak. Everything over here was weak. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to enter it and add 2 more. So I don't like to average down once again against my rule, but I think I saved like 60 cents on that contract. I had a 3,800 puts. I think I had 480 over here and then 410 over here. So average was like around like 450, something around that. So I decided to do it and we flush down. Boom, 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 boom. As we're going down, I'm cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So I made 40% over here, a total of $790, I believe. Yes, 710, excuse me. So once again, bought at 470, average down at 410. So I think total is like 450 something around that. And then sold at 530, 570, 640, and 730. So made $710 in less than 10 minutes, right? 9 minutes, 40 sec exactly, or something like that. And then that's it. So for the day, I was okay with it. And then we went sideways, sideways, sideways. I was like, I'm not going in a sideways bullshit. If you watch my video, each time I get caught in a sideways, that's where I ruin my account because it goes up, you up, and then down, you down, but then you have theta working against you. And then at the end of the day, all of that, you didn't make any money and you just lost, even if it went a little bit your way on a downtrend just because of theta. Once again, this is 0 DTE, which is the same day expiration. And so, yeah, then I saw that. And I was like, oh my God, we're about to, over here, I was debating entering it or not. I'm like, we're going to have some support over here, like we had here. And I did not. And boom, this happened. I'm like, no, I cannot believe it. So then I waited for a little retracement over here, right? A little consolidation. And boom, I entered right here with 6. As we flushed down, I said to cut 2 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it was. And I made $590 over here. Boom. That was, let me see, 32 to 37 in 5 minutes. Yeah, less than 5 minutes actually, right? 54, 39, yeah. So that's it. Like I said, I bought a 460. Actually, I bought 6 of them, but I didn't get filled. As you can tell, the price stamp is the same, but I just did not get filled all at the same price. So I was happy actually to get 2 at least at 460. The rest was 470. So then I sold 2 right away at 520, 1 at 570, 1 560, and 2 at 610. Was super happy, done. And then obviously sideways bullshit happened again, and then boom, flushing down, and then boom, flushing down, and then we are now here. So, and the gap to fill is, I think, 10 more bucks over there, 20 bucks down lower here. So yeah, very big, beautiful downtrend day, absolutely amazing. I'm happy. I made a total of $1,300 today within less than 15 minutes total, I think. I'm talking about being inside my trade, right? So less than 10 minutes for the first one, less than 5 for the next one. So let's say less than 15 minutes. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. If you want to have more coaching on a trading mindset of what goes behind what you see on the screen here, and what you read, how to be confident enough, how to get out of a rough patch if you have some losing streak, how to let your runner run if you have some runner on. I mean, all type of stuff, but I went through it personally myself. and I'm happy to help you out. Once again, I will never tell you where to buy, what to buy, where to sell, when to sell. I prefer to teach you how to fish so you can feed yourself for a lifetime versus giving you a fish and feeding you for a day. So this is what I preach, this is what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Go on coachyoann.com to book your one-on-one mindset trading coaching session with me, and talk to you guys soon. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.